Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a very popular Bengali veg dish, dhokar dalna, without onion and garlic. It's like lentil cake and made with gravy. What I have in my kitchen, I am cooking and sharing with you guys. Before starting, I would like to say, please try to stay at home. Wash your hands frequently. In case if you need to go out for emergency, use a mask. Please keep watching this video step by step how I make dhokar dalna. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. I have taken half cup of chana dal or Bengal grams and I have soaked it overnight. 1/4 cup frozen coconut, nariyal. It's optional, if you don't like coconut you can skip it. 2 green chilies, 2 hari mirch and half inch ginger, adrak. Now I am going to grind the dal to make a smooth paste. Take a blending jar. Add coconut, ginger and green chili, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, haldi, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, Kashmiri lal mirch powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, bhuna hua jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, chini, salt to taste. I am adding half teaspoon salt, namak, and some water. I am adding 1/3 cup water. Let me grind it. Paste is ready. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on low to medium. I am using mustard oil. 2 teaspoon oil. Heat up the oil. You can use any cooking oil if you want to. Here I have taken crushed cumin seeds, jeera, coriander seeds, dhania and fennel seeds. So I have taken half teaspoon each seeds. Now I am adding this batter. I forgot to add asafoetida hing, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Keep stirring until it is dry, but make sure it is on low to medium. Almost done. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. Now turn off the flame. Now take a flat plate or cutting board and grease it with oil. Now transfer to the greased plate. And try to flatten it with spatula. You can use your hand. But do carefully, it's still hot. Okay, now leave it for 10 minutes to set up, then we'll cut it. Okay, it has cooled completely, let's cut it. You can cut it square or diamond shape. It's your choice. Okay, they are ready to fry. I am using vegetable oil to fry the dhoka. Keep the flame low to medium. I am not going to deep fry them. Let's heat up the oil. Oil is hot enough. I will fry them in 2 batches. Fry them both sides evenly until they are golden. Now turn the other side. One batch is done. You can also serve it with tea as the evening snack, but I am going to make a gravy. Let me fry the remaining thoka. Right thoka is ready, so let's make the gravy. Now we will make a masala paste. Take a blending jar. I am adding 1 medium size tomato, ½ inch ginger or adrak, 2 green chilies, hari mirch. Now I am adding ½ teaspoon turmeric, haldi, ½ teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, Kashmiri lal mirch powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, ½ teaspoon jeera powder, ½ teaspoon coriander powder, dhania powder. Add some water, about ½ tablespoon. Let me make a smooth paste. Our masala paste is ready. Now we will make another paste. Here I am taking 1/3 cup frozen coconut, nariyal. As I told you, it's optional. 1/4 cup broken cashew nuts, kaju. 1/4 cup melon seeds or char magaj. I have soaked the cashew nuts and melon seeds in lukewarm water for 10 minutes to soak them little softer. Now we will make a fine paste with coconut, cashew nut and melon seeds. If you don't have cashew nuts, kaju and melon seeds, char magaj, no problem, you can use poppy seeds paste. Take ½ tablespoon poppy seeds and soak it in lukewarm water for 10 minutes, then make a fine paste. Add very little water. Now we will make a fine paste. Our second paste is also ready, so let's make the gravy. I am taking 1 medium sized potato and I have cut it into long slices because I have already cut the thokas pieces into diamond shape, that's why. To make the gravy I am using mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil if you want to. I am adding pinch of turmeric. We will fry the potato first. Pinch of salt. Keep the flame medium. Fry the potato till it turns slightly golden. Now take them out from the pan. In the same oil, I am adding 1 bay leaf, tejpata, 4 pieces of cloves long, 2 pieces of green cardamom, hari elaichi and ½ inch cinnamon stick, darchini. And I am adding ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera. Now we will add masala paste. Saute the masala until the oil separates. As you can see, the oil is separating. At this point, we will add the fried potato. Now we will add coconut, nariyal, cashew nut, kaju and melon seed char magaj paste. Salt to taste. I am adding 1½ teaspoon salt. Keep stirring for few more minutes until the raw smell of spices go away. Now add some water. adding 1 cup of water. Now keep the flame medium to high and bring it to boil. Then we'll add the fried dhoka. Now we will add the fried dhoka. Do not stir it, just mix it in the gravy gently. I am adding 2 whole chilies, hari mirch. Keep the flame medium to high and let it cook for 5 minutes only. It's been 5 minutes. I am adding half teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix it gently. Adjust the consistency as you need. Now turn off the flame and put the lid on for 2 minutes. Then we'll dish out. Hope you like this dhoka dalna recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.